warning from Mrs. Example. Clean up my act, stop being an arsehole. Didn't help my debacle. I just woken up from an all day, all night filthy barkle. Something quite bait about today's day. It was hard to locate, I drank too much Pernod. Took another swipe with my Mac 3 Turbo. Then it hit me like a raging inferno. I don't believe it, forgot her bloody birthday card. She won't be a happy girl. Forgot her bloody birthday card. She gonna scream and yell. Forgot her bloody birthday card. She'll leave me, man, she might as well. Forgot her bloody birthday card. I try to keep things relative, never give critics to myself if I can, but I can only think negative. Used to tell her shit like I lost my pen. Now there's a chance that I'll never see her face again. So I walk a fine line, but it's not the end. See, I bought her a voucher for H&M. She can get a new skirt and she'll look the part. And if it don't work, pour out my heart. Look, yeah, I'm gonna be completely honest with you. You know I love you, you know I respect you. At the end of the day, a birthday card, it's just a piece of paper, innit? In an envelope. I mean, I know a voucher's a piece of paper too. Yeah, but you can get a skirt with it. You can get shoes then. Wait, allow that, wait. Wait, nah, that's bullshit. I can't do that. Can't sound like a wanker with girly chat. So I gotta make a dash for the petrol station, cause their cards are perfect for any occasion. I drop my razor and splash my boat. I grab some tracky bees and a random coat. Then I'm on it with the wallet and I hit the pavement. I'm running down the street with my face half shaven.
I see I'm getting stronger.
I'm getting stronger and stronger, my legs are burning. There's still hope yet, just a couple of turnings.
I see I'm getting stronger.
Yeah. See, the longer I wander, the more I screw. She gets here at 10 and it's 1:45. I don't believe it, forgot her bloody birthday card. She won't be a happy girl. Forgot her bloody birthday card. She gonna scream and yell. Forgot her bloody birthday card. She'll leave me, man, she might as well. Forgot her bloody birthday card.